Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can get more data when you are recharging to your mobile number. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and share this video with your friends and family members. So today in this video I am going to show you for the Jio number. So first of all, open the My Jio app. So as you can see here, we are in the My Jio application. So once you click on the recharge, so here basically let us take the plan for the 1.5 GB per day. So here in this trick I will show you how you can get 50 GB extra data when you are recharging for your mobile number. So here as you can see here, let us think that you are recharging for the 56 days and you will be getting the 1.5 GB. So let's see the pack details first of all. So if you recharge for the 399, you will be getting an 1.5 GB per day. So unlimited calls to Jio calls. So Jio to non-Jio, like Jio to other like Idea, Airtel and all, you will be getting an 2000 minutes. So you can use it for 56 days. So and you will be getting an unlimited data of 84 GB, 1.5 GB per day, and the 100 SMS per day. So here this is pack valid for 56 days. So let's see how we can do this. So just scroll down. So here you will be getting an option called top up, friends. So once you click on top up, so as you can see here, once you here, so you will be getting an 420 rupees 0.73 paisa talk time. So here Jio will be giving an 500 rupees plus, as you can see here they mentioned that 50 GB bonus high speed internet. So as you can see here, so I will show you in my WhatsApp. I will explain here. So as you can see here, you will be getting an 500 rupees benefit. So when you reach up for 500, you will be getting a 56 GB 56 days validity, Jio to Jio unlimited calls, 2000 minutes. Sorry, if you reach up for 500, you will be getting an 420 rupees. So with the 420 rupees, I will show you how you can recharge when you get them 420 rupees. As you can see here, for example, I am showing here. So here I have an talk time. So when you reach up for 500, so top up, so you will be getting here as 420 rupees. When you get an 420 rupees, just click on recharge. So once you click on recharge, so you should select the pack. So for example, here I will show it for the so let us select other pack, like, so let us see, I will select this pack. So you can select the 399 pack. So I don't have that much recharge, so I am not selecting that pack. So once you reach out for 500 rupees, you will be getting an 420 rupees. So as you can see here, use account balance. So as you can see here, I have an 140 rupees, so I can use 129 rupees. So when you reach out for 500 rupees, you will be getting an 420 rupees. So when you get 420 rupees, you can recharge the pack of 399 rupees. So you will be getting an 21 rupees in your balance. So you can use it for IUC. So once you recharge with 399 rupees, you will be getting an balance, all the balance. So and also you will be getting an additional 50 GB data, friends. So additional 50 GB data along with this 1.5 GB pack. As you can see here, you will be getting an all the benefits of 1.5 GB data, and also you will be getting an 50 GB of additional data for your pack. So once you recharge, and you can come to the my coupons. So here you will be getting a coupon and you can redeem it from here. So you will be getting an commonly and also 21 rupees of IUC talk time. So here for here you will be getting an for 80 rupees, you will be getting an 50 50 GB of data, additional data in your mobile. This is the trick. And the second trick is boost up packs, friends. So when you are all of you, when you are recharging the boost up packs, normally we recharge an 11 rupees pack, 21 rupees pack. So normally when you are recharging the pack, make sure that if you recharge, Jio has given additional benefit, like when you recharge for 10 rupees, you will be getting 1 GB plus 7 rupees talk time. So if you, when you are recharging for 20 rupees, you will be getting a 2 GB data, and also you will get, so for example here I will show you. So when you click and recharge, so you can directly come here into the top up section. So when you, for example, let us take it as 50 rupees. When you reach up for 50 rupees, you will be getting an 39.37 talk time, 39 rupees talk time, and you will get 5 GB data along with it. Just click on here. So as you can see here, they clearly mentioned here 5 GB of bonus data you will be getting when you reach up for 50 rupees. So when you recharging for 50 rupees, you will get, so once you reach up for 50 rupees, you will be getting a coupon also. You can redeem the 5 GB data. So if you want still more benefit, just click on here. So you will be having the 50 something like 39 rupees. So once you have 39 rupees, you can use it for existing recharge. So once you can click it here, so click on buy. So once you click on buy, so here you can use your talk time, like as you can see here I have an 140 rupees. So if I click on pay now, so I will be getting a benefit of 21 rupees, I will be getting a benefit of 21 rupees package details and all. So I will be getting an for the 21 rupees we will be getting, normally we will get a as you can see here, we will be getting an 2 GB of data, and also we will be getting of 200 minutes. So when you reach up for top up, you will be getting in some more data and more benefits when you are recharging with this. So commonly we will be getting an offers in Amazon, friends. So in every month you will be getting an 50 rupees. When you reach up for 50 rupees, we will be getting an 50 rupees talk time. So we can directly recharge here. So when you are recharging from the Amazon app, you will be getting an cashback of 50 rupees. So if you don't watch that video, I done an Amazon cashback video. You can watch that video and you can recharge for 50 rupees. You will be getting a cashback of 50 rupees, and additionally you will be getting a 5 GB of data, and also you will be getting a 39 rupees of talk time. So you can use it for the boost up packs also. So that's all for this video, friends, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So we are reaching the 2000 of target. So please do share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.